Dear friends, colleagues, and supporters, today, ResKit proudly celebrates its 10th anniversary. Exactly 10 years ago, what began as a small idea in a 9-square-meter workshop in Kyiv has grown into something far greater. Today, ResKit is not just a brand. It's a community of creators, modelers, and dreamers united by a shared passion for scale modeling and attention to detail. Over the past decade, we've grown from our first resin wheels to producing thousands of highly complex and hyper-detailed accessories, cockpit sets, weapon systems, and full model kits. Our engineers, designers, production specialists, managers, and marketers work every day to create new products and new emotions for our followers. As of today, we deliver our products to every corner of the world in the shortest possible time. None of this would have been possible without the incredible ResKit team, now over 100 people strong. Your dedication, creativity, and resilience, especially during wartime, continue to inspire me every single day. And of course, thank you to our customers and partners. Your feedback, photos, and shared passion have shaped the direction of our company more than any business strategy ever could. The past few years have not been easy. Since 2022, Ukraine has endured a full-scale invasion by the Russian Federation. Some of our team members have joined the armed forces to defend our country. The rest of the team continues to work under extremely difficult conditions: heavy missile attacks, ongoing blackouts, constant air raids, and the many other challenges of war. But even in the darkest of times, our team kept moving forward, driven by purpose, united by pride, and supported by all of you. So what's next? Innovation, bold projects, new formats. This anniversary is not only about looking back, it's about the future we're building together. Thank you for being part of our story.